the apple does not fall far from the tree. So the pattern repeats through agreement. So for example, say generation, let's spend generation after generation of a poverty mindset. And then let's say you're 12 years old and you have a lemonade stand. Nobody's coming to your lemonade stand. They're just walking by. Freaks, what are they doing? I'm selling lemonade. And then there's a declaration. Man, I'm never going to be able to do this. I'm no good at this. I probably am just not going to make money. Boom, activates what was dormant, now active in the body, the emotional triggers associated with the poverty mentality. So then you come into agreement with something that's not even yours. The enemy twists it in a way to make you think you are thinking that. When it's just the programming in your DNA. So when your mind is renewed, Paul said in Romans 12, there is transfiguration. It's the word, transfiguration of your DNA. Well, this is fun. We're going